Hey everybody. Cow's a little restless this morning. He says, feed me. Birds are all out. Nice day. We'll have to mow the grass over here. Well, one good thing, there's no tracks. So didn't none of the cows get out? Well, I don't know. I think they might have. You can see the grass right there where they reach through. Where it's tall right there, short over there. I think this old cedar fence needs a little attention. Oh boy, oh well. Part of it. Yeah, I got that fence temporarily fixed for now. I want to have to take and cut some more boards and redo what the whole thing looks like. This has been here since 2011. Them posts, I dug them up out of the ground. They did run along the edge of this concrete over here. And I extended our yard out a little bit. We put the original fence down 2006. It went straight along the concrete, straight back through there. So I moved it out around that tree and have all intentions of eventually building a gazebo or something in that area. But yeah, them posts there is 13 years old. It's still pretty solid, but it needs a little work. Thanks everybody.